Hello guys, how are you all doing today? In today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me on how I make my seafood okra, my simple and easy method of cooking okra soup, as we African call okra. Some call it okra. Here I have my onion, spinach, I have tofu, uncut okra, also my crab, shrimps, pepper, salt, maggi, my crayfish, and lastly I have my palm oil. Okay guys, so since I love you all this much, I'm just going to give you a breakdown of the benefits of this vegetable okra. So as we know, it's a very known staple in the African world and it has good source of fiber. The three most important benefits of this vegetable okra is it contains anti-cancer property 1, it reduces risk of getting heart disease, and it lowers blood sugar in the body. Okay, now just watch me as I slice and cut my to put in your shrimps or any protein you'll be adding now. Lastly, I'll be adding the cut or chopped spinach with my fried tofu so it doesn't get soaked, because I still want that crunchy chew.